Happy Monday. So Tegan wants me to record them arm wrestling.
She can't get up fast enough to come watch. She fell over.
3, 2, 1.
You can't lay your body.
Yeah, you're cheating. You can't use your whole body.
I did it.
Only.
It's your arm
I can't.
only.
I have to do this arm.
I can't do that arm.
You're sitting on the wrong chair to be able to do that arm.
Right arm.
I can't do this arm.
And you can only move your arm.
Oh my god.
Two. What I tell you?
Stop.
Talking about, I'm strong.
I am.
This way.
Yeah.
Really not this
You
way.
need to start doing
Turn the camera off.
Get down.
It's not funny.
Stay down.
You're deleting that footage.
No, I'm not. You want to tell me to record it.
When we came to get tea when we got home, we found a dead bird, and so T's gonna go pick it up.
Oh my goodness.
It's right there.
It's a hummingbird.
See? If it comes alive, it won't.
Wait,
Stab it.
can you hold it open?
We need to record at the same time. How about you just scoop it in there?
Oh yeah. Can I keep it?
It's dead.
If it wasn't dead, I would keep it. Oh my goodness.
Look at the head. People are driving by, probably wondering what we're doing.
I feel so bad.
Girl, just pick it up.
Look guys, look at how cute it is.
Pick it up!
I named it. Her name is Kana.
How do you know it's a girl?
Because I don't see anything.
I literally did not get the bird that whole time.
Get the bird. Okay, take 2. Ow, my butt!
Take 2. You already know what part to cut out. Fine. Just pick up the bag. Okay, we have it in the bag. To the trash. This here is goodbye. Bye-bye, bird.
Yeah, dude. Put some soap on my hands when we get inside because I can't touch it.
So, that's all.
Goodbye.
Hey all, happy Friday. So, we're in line at Sam's to get gas. And it's freaking packed. But it's grocery shopping weekend, so we have to go in and get some stuff. We're gonna do Sam's today, and I have a Walmart pickup scheduled for tomorrow. And I also need to run into Winco sometime tomorrow. I figured I'd bring y'all along because literally, I say this every week, but literally this vlog is like a minute before this. Like 1 minute long. So, you know, I'm trying to give y'all some good content. So you're just gonna go grocery shopping with us today.
And we gotta come back here next weekend.
Okay, but that will be in next week's vlog. That ain't got nothing to do with this one. Yeah.
style luncheon.
Huh?
They have grilled cheese. Frozen grilled cheese on Texas toast.
Probably put them in the toaster.
See, I knocked over the whole box. You can get water next time.
Oh, 2 boxes?
Yeah.
You have to get more sweet and sour sauce.
Maybe I'll just get both.
We're gonna have to scan and go at the end.
Yeah.
I don't know either.
No, it's less. She finna get these hands. When was the last time I called her?
Hello?
Do you want Go-Gurt?
Where are you?
At Sam's Club. Did you just wake up, Amaya Blue?
Yeah.
Amaya?
For time reference,
Do you want the same chips that you got
it's
last time?
12:31. She just woke up.
Yeah.
Or do you want the kind... Oh, they got Sunkissed in the bags. Straight across. Or do you want the Dorito Cheetos mix? And these boxes are jerked.
Elijah likes them.
I'll get Honey Nut Cheerios next time because they're on sale. Because we still have some, right?
No. Well, I think the one that's open is almost full, and then you brought that little one, but I don't think we have any more unopened.
Oh, so then it wouldn't just be sitting. Can't find the expiration date. So, okay.
Tegan has been, or those have been craving her.
Yeah,
She keeps asking about them.
they've been on the oranges. That one got cookie crumbs on it.
Her and Leonie were tearing them up.
Yeah.
We're coming back next week. I'll get my popcorn then, because I think I still have like 3 bags. Plus I still have my Trader Joe's popcorn. Hey y'all, so I know it's dark in here. We're in the garage and the light doesn't work and our garage door is broken, so. But I wanted to show you the deep freezer I've been talking about. Here's our deep freezer. Here's our extra fridge right there. We still haven't moved them yet. We just haven't had time. But I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the deep freeze. Lord. Here it is in all of its glory. So, up top, my mom and T. My mom has a whole bunch of stuff. So she claimed the top and this drawer right here. Me, my sister, and the kids have these 2 shelves right here. Lots of Trader Joe's stuff. And down here is basically like food stuff. So I'm about to put stuff in here. I have chicken in this drawer. So I need to go back to Costco and get more chicken. Elijah has some stuff right here. We have some bananas. This is supposed to be down here. That's kids also. This is more stuff. So I have some stuff I'm going to put in here, so I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so we had to do some maneuvering. We're getting kind of full. But yeah, here it is. Oh, and it beeps when it's open too long, so I'm going to close this. I missed the vlog while we were in Walmart. But we had to get a present for Amaya. So she's doing that in the trunk of the car. Amaya's going to a birthday party. So quick Walmart haul. We got some unsalted chicken broth. You know, we put this in the dog food for our geriatric dogs, and we always get unsalted. We found some of the pumpkin muffins, little bites. And then back here, we got 2 sweet and sour for the egg rolls we just got, and 2 marinara for the mozzarella sticks we just got. Oh, and I also got one of these, and it's over there. That's what we got at Walmart.
You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. When I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just leave today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? Help me. I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. Yeah, yeah. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm.
So it's about that time. We're finally going to move these fridges around. What we're going to attempt. Taylor went downstairs to measure the fridges. Hang on, let me see. Like I was saying, Taylor went downstairs to measure the fridge and the door to see if it'll fit. Remember I was telling you how our garage door is broken? We had an issue with the garage door, so we got it down, but we can't bring it back up until we get it fixed. And so it's gonna have to come through the house garage door, not the big door. And so she measured to see, and she says it's gonna fit. So Maya is bringing up the stuff from the, I don't even know what. I'm throwing that away. It was freezer burnt. Anyways, Maya's bringing the stuff up from the fridge, and then we're gonna go see if we can maneuver it. So I'll keep you updated. I'm nervous that it's not gonna fit, but we'll see. I'm excited to get a better fridge up here.
So things didn't go as planned. We couldn't get it through the door, so we just moved it to a new location. So it's dark in here. Over there in the middle of the floor. Now it's right when we walk out. So I consider it a win, you know, but my sister's a hater, so.
Hi guys, it's Tegan, and so my mom bought me like these bottles to put in my mini fridge, and so we're just gonna film up for you guys, and then we'll show you me putting them in the mini fridge. But we just cleaned them, and so there's gonna be 2 filled with water and then 2 filled with Hawaiian punch. So I'll come back when I have the Hawaiian punch. Okay, so I have 2, because for some reason I thought I wouldn't fill up them, but okay. I feel like a real mini fridge person now.
A real mini fridge person.
Well, next is water, so let's put the lids on these ones. These lids low-key go on weird, but it's fine. Okay, I'll come back when I have the water and the other ones. Okay, so I just put the water in these ones. Just don't mind me, these lids are a little ratchet. So now we're gonna go put these in the mini fridge, so let's go.
Walking down the stairs. Now we're going into the room.
Okay, so, my god. Okay, so I have the bottles.
Shh.
I have the bottles.
She has the bottles. She's putting them in.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so we'll probably see you guys later today or tomorrow in the next vlog. So, bye. This is Tegan signing off.